Hey there, this is Sam from GHL SaasKits, and in this video, I'm going to show you how you can add a video playlist on your GoHighLevel pages. Okay, so it's important to have a playlist when you want to show multiple different videos as a list on your page, and your users or the visitors of your website or funnels can switch to different videos and watch the playlist videos. Okay, so all the videos that you have on your playlist. Okay, so in this example, you can see here I have a video playlist here. Okay, so if I switch to different video, okay, so let me go video 2, then you can see here the video 2 second video loaded. If I go to video 3, okay, this is the Vimeo video. Okay, you can see here the video, and if I go to the video MP4 video 1, then it will be play here. Okay, you can see it's now here. Okay, so this way you can create a custom playlist and add on your GoHighLevel pages. Okay, so let me show you how you can do this. Okay, so inside your GHL code snippet library, you will get the code snippet. Okay, just copy the code snippet and open this on your editor. Okay, so after that, all users need to replace the video IDs, okay, for different sources. Okay, you can see here in this playlist we have 3 different sources like YouTube videos, Vimeo videos, and the custom videos that you uploaded into your GoHighLevel page. Okay, so you can use any of the 3 sources, and then what you need to do, just replace the video ID. Let me show one by one. Okay, so let's say for YouTube video, okay, I want to use this YouTube video. I just need to copy the URL of the video. Okay, just right click on your video or open it on the browser and go to the link and go back to the editor. Okay, I just added the link here. Okay, and inside the video link you will see a video ID. Okay, so each and every YouTube video have its unique video ID. All you just need to copy the ID, okay, delete everything else, and then just replace the ID. Okay, so put the ID here, just here. This is for the default view. Okay, and then you need to put the same ID here. So for the first video ID, you need to put these 2 times. Okay, first times here and the second times here, and then for the other video you just need to replace. This is the second video. Okay, and also let me add the video playlist title. Okay, so let's say for this one, okay, this is the video that will show how to add multiple pop-up on GoHighLevel page. Okay, so I just added it here. Okay, this way you just need to change the video title and the video ID. Okay, so let me show how you will get the Vimeo video ID. Okay, so here's the Vimeo account. Okay, and let's say I want to use this video as my on my playlist. Okay, so just need to copy the link. Okay, it will give you the option copy video link. Go back to editor and paste it at the bottom, and you will see the video ID. Okay, so the Vimeo also has the video ID. We'll just copy the video ID and delete everything else and just replace it here. Okay, so first of all you need to decide that which source you are using. Okay, and you need to make sure that the URL structure should be the same. All you just need to replace the ID. Okay, for YouTube and Vimeo. Okay, you can see this is the YouTube video URL. You need to keep everything same except the video ID. Okay, you just need to replace your video IDs, okay, for YouTube and Vimeo. And for the custom video, let's say I uploaded video on my GoHighLevel media library, so I just need to copy the URL. Just right click on the video and you'll get the link option. Okay, just click here and go back to the editor, and let's say I want to replace this one, and yeah, here's it. So make sure that you are using the MP4 format. Okay, so because this playlist support only MP4 for the custom videos. Okay, so you can upload a video on your GoHighLevel and use it as well as any other source. Okay, you can upload your MP4 videos and you can add the URL. Okay, so this way you can use any of those three sources. Okay, so if you use only YouTube videos, so then you always just need to replace this URL everywhere. Okay, so this part of the URL everywhere until the embedded. Okay, and then replace the ID for all of your videos. This way you can actually add your videos. Okay, so then just copy everything from here. No need to make any other changes. Okay, so everything should be same. Okay, just copy, go back to your editor. I will replace it here. Then save, publish, save it. Once it's saved, just let me preview. Okay. Okay, so you can see now I have added video. Okay, this is the first video, it's loaded, and the second video, here is it, the Vimeo video. Okay, so it's loading. You can see here, then the MP4 format. Yeah, here is it. Okay, so this way you can add a video playlist on your GoHighLevel page. It's pretty simple and easy course snippet. All users need to replace your videos ID, and also if you use the custom source, then just replace the video URL. Okay, so that's it for this video. And one more thing I want to share with you. If you want to get the course snippet, then you just need to join our premium course snippet library. Okay, so you can join our GHL SaasKits community, which is completely free. Okay, you can join and you will get the course snippet link here. Okay, so you can see here access to GHL Code Snippet premium version. Okay, so if you want to use the premium version, all our course snippet, then you just need to subscribe or upgrade your account to premium. Okay, and that's it for this video. Okay, so thank you again for watching this. Have a nice day.